What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over my sleeping giant pick, Siacoin. I do believe that this is a sleeping giant and will explode on this bull run. It's a beautiful project for storage, online storage. Think about the Google Cloud, guys. We're sitting at a market cap of 994 million. The price is currently 0.02. We're up about 6% on the day. We're sitting at a 24-hour volume of 103 million. So guys, if you're new to crypto.com, you know what to do. Sign up through my referral, and there's incredible benefits. It's my favorite platform for investing. All right, guys, so we're here on the daily chart. I wanted to start on the daily to show you guys some extremely bullish signals. All right, guys, and it's the 20 crossing the 55, but not only the 20 crossing the 55 on the daily, the 55 is about to cross the 200 EMA. And if you look back on the chart here, why is it not showing? Okay, let me see if I can pull it up on a different exchange. Gonna give me the 200. Okay, beautiful. This is perfect. Look right here, guys. When we had the bullish cross of the 55 over the 200 EMA was the start of our bull run, and some extremely juicy gains here for Siacoin. So I want to jump back into the Binance. Actually, I can use this chart here. Looks absolutely perfect. And Siacoin moves so beautifully, in my opinion. Look at here. We came back. We found support on the EMAs. We pumped, found support on the EMAs. We pumped support. Look how it holds the 20 EMA, just snugging the 20 EMA. Absolutely beautiful pump and beautiful coin to be invested in my opinion. So if you're looking for an incredible entry point, not financial advice, right now Siacoin is showing some extremely bullish signals. We're coming up to test the 0.5. So from an investing standpoint, I think it's a great time to get into Siacoin if you're not already involved in the project. We are having a little bit of bearish divergence on the daily here. See how we're creating higher highs, we're creating a lower highs on the RSI. Do keep an eye on that. We're going to pop over to the 4-hour time frame to give some short-term price targets. So we can see here, I pulled our Fibonacci previous swing high down to the swing low. We came all the way up and tested our swing high. So your next price target here for Sia is up here at about 0.022, which is the 1.272 extension. It's also the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, pulled from our ultimate swing high down to our swing low. Our ultimate swing high, Jacks, are so lame. Now we did have a bearish divergence that played out. You see here the price is rising on the 4-hour chart. The RSI was creating lower highs and we sold off, and now we've come back up again. So I would like to see the RSI break these highs here, but you can see we have already had this sell off from our bearish divergence on the 4-hour. So we're going to pop over to the 1-hour time frame. Just got a little bit of an itchy on my back here. Ladies, call me, I need a scratch. Please know that I'm joking when I say those kind of things. I had a commenter the other day. He's like, sometimes you say really creepy things, Jax. I'm like, okay, well, I'm just playing, you know, so I'm not being serious. And we can see here on the hourly chart as well, we've had multiple rejections off this level. We had a correction right here, small one. They don't always have to be major on the hourly chart, but we have had a lot of rejections. So what you might see here is a little bit of rollback and some consolidation. And if we hold the 0.786 as support, would be extremely strong for Siacoin. If we were to lose that particular level, you can target the golden ratio here at about 0.019 for Sia if we were to come down and see a little bit of correction. But most likely what we'll see is consolidation. You can see that we came up, we consolidated, we continued. And so most likely we see a little bit of consolidation here before seeing that next pump up to 0.022 for Siacoin. All right, guys, so I would wait for a little bit of pullback here if you're looking to enter your trade, but I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So I'm going to give you your future price targets for Siacoin. So we have the 1.272 up at 10 cents, and we have about 21 cents for Siacoin, which I do believe it will make it to on this bull run, and quite possibly much more at the 1.618 extension. To be honest, I'm about 98% sure that we're going to break through that and see much more. But from the current price, that's a juicy gain of 1,000% for Siacoin. Please look into the project. If you're new to Sia, online storage platform, it's very cool, and I think you would be impressed in my opinion. So that's it for this one. Just a quick little update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. I can't promise I'll make Sia updates all the time, just because it's not super popular just yet, and I'm not trading it. I'm just invested into it. All right, guys. So make sure to smash that like button, sign up to Bybit, follow me on social. See you in the next video. Peace. Much love.